This is Sister Orton, and I'm going to show you how to set up your APA paper in Word. So to start out, open a new file. Make sure that the font is changed to Times New Roman 12 point. You also want to check and make sure that your spacing is set at double spacing. And if you go to page layout, you also want to make sure that there's no extra spacing before or after each line. Here you can also make sure that you've got 1-inch margins all the way around. And the first step we're going to do is to insert our header. So go to Insert, Header, and go Edit Header. Now we want to make sure that this header is different on the first page, because on the second page you remove the words running head. Make sure that the font, again, is Times New Roman 12, and type your header, running head. The word head is not capitalized, and your title is all in capital letters. This can be an abbreviation of your title or the title itself, as long as it's less than 50 characters. You're going to tab over and go to page number, current position, plain number. And there's our running head. Okay, for the rest of our title page, we're going to space down here, center, write the title of our paper, making sure to capitalize all the main words, and then put your name and the university affiliation, and be sure to spell university correctly. There we go. This is an APA title page. Now for the BYU Nursing Department, we'd like you to also add your course number, your teacher, and the date. Now you're ready to go. To start your next page, go to Insert, Page Break. Now, we need to fix the header on the second page by just putting the title of paper, making sure to change the font one last time, and inserting the page number. At current position, plain number. Okay, we're done editing any of the headers for the rest of the document. Now here I'm going to restate my title without it being bolded, just plain type. You're going to indent all the paragraphs for your paper, so you're going to start out and give an introduction to your paper. Here you might say what you're going to use for your main points. Okay, now you'll start with that first main point and make it your first heading. All the main letters or the main words will be capitalized, and it will be bolded. So centered and bolded. Now you might have a subheading. You type that here, flush left. There we go. Okay, for the rest, it is also bolded for that second level heading. You can find out more about level headings in your APA manual. And then here I'm going to start my paper. Be sure to cite all your sources, giving the author, the year, and the page number. If there's no page number, use a paragraph number. I'll show you how that's done just so you know. You're going to give your author, then the year. If it's a paragraph, it looks like this. Especially if you are giving a quotation, you need to have the page or paragraph number. If there's a page number, then you just put the page number. Okay, I also like to set up my reference page as I'm starting out. So again, I'm going to insert a page break, and type references, which will be centered. And I'm ready to begin. On the reference page, you need to do something special to create your hanging indents. And if you go to the paragraph settings, click on hanging under the special category, it'll automatically put all of your references in hanging indents. And I'll give you an example of what this looks like. So let's say author A, author B, their year, you're going to give the name of their textbook and then the place it was published and the publisher. You can see that it automatically indented that next line. Now on a textbook, you know that the title, you only capitalize the first word and then all the rest are lowercase, and then you italicize a book. So there you have an example of setting up a document in APA. Have fun!